Hot deserts and frigid zones. The hot deserts. Hot deserts are very dry areas near the tropics. They lie between 15 degrees and 35 degrees north and south of the equator, near the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. These areas get less than 25 centimeters of rain each year. Examples include the Sahara, Kalahari, Thar, Great Australian, and Mojave deserts. Vegetation. In deserts, plants have long roots to reach water. Many have small, waxy leaves or thorns to stop water loss. Some plants, like cactus, acacia, baobab, and date palms, store water. Climate. Deserts are very hot during the day, with temperatures up to 50 degrees Celsius and can cool down to around 10 degrees Celsius at night. Rain is very rare. Wildlife. Few animals live in the desert. Many are active at night to avoid the heat. Camels, foxes, hyenas, snakes, beetles, and scorpions are common. Camels are very important for transport and carrying water. People. People living in deserts often lead a hard life. Many are nomads, moving from place to place with their tents and belongings. They use camels for travel and date palms for food and shelter. Some also farm near oases or work in mining. Frigid zones. There are two frigid zones, one in the north and one in the south. The North Frigid Zone lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole. The South Frigid Zone is near the South Pole. The Arctic has land, but the Antarctic is mostly water. Greenland land and location. Greenland is the world's largest island and is part of Denmark. It lies in the Arctic Circle and was named by the explorer Erik the Red to attract settlers. The native Eskimos call it Kalalit Nunath, which means our land. Iceland is nearby. Physical features. Greenland is narrow, rocky, and mostly flat. It is almost entirely covered by huge sheets of snow and ice. When pieces of ice break off and float in the sea, they are called icebergs. Vegetation. Because it is so cold, very few plants grow in Greenland. In summer, small plants like mosses, lichens, sedges, and low shrubs appear and provide food for animals. Climate. Greenland has a polar climate. It stays very cold all year with little rain. In winter, the sun might not appear for months, but in summer, the sun shines all day. This is called the land of midnight Sunday. Wildlife. Animals that live in Greenland include polar bears, reindeer, musk ox, Arctic foxes, seals, and walruses. Reindeer are especially important as they give milk, meat, and help pull sledges. People. The native people of Greenland are called Eskimos or Greenlanders. They eat mostly meat and fish and wear thick clothes made of seal skin and fur. Traditionally, they lived in igloos, but now many live in modern houses. They hunt using harpoons and fish using traditional boats like kayaks and umiaks. Modern lifestyle. Today, Greenlanders have permanent houses with electricity. They use motorboats and motorized sledges for travel. Schools, hospitals, libraries, and social clubs are common in their towns and villages, making life much easier despite the harsh weather.